Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to consume wheatgrass powder. To begin, start with a small amount, perhaps 1/2 to 1 teaspoon each day. This allows your body to adjust to its potent nutrients. You can gradually increase your dosage over time. Always ensure the powder is well mixed with your chosen liquid for the best absorption and a smoother experience. This simple approach helps integrate wheatgrass into your routine effectively. When mixing your wheatgrass powder, you have several great options. Plain water is a straightforward choice, offering a clean way to consume it. If you find the earthy taste challenging, try mixing it with a fruit juice, such as apple or orange juice, which can effectively mask the flavor. For a more substantial and nutrient-dense option, blend it into your favorite smoothie with fruits and vegetables. For the best results, consume your wheatgrass powder on an empty stomach. Many people find that taking it first thing in the morning provides an excellent energy boost to start their day. It's important to avoid mixing wheatgrass powder with hot liquids. High temperatures can unfortunately degrade some of the beneficial enzymes and nutrients, reducing its overall effectiveness. Stick to cool or room temperature beverages. To make your wheatgrass powder more palatable, consider adding a small squeeze of lemon or lime juice. This can really brighten the flavor. Proper storage is also key to maintaining its quality. Always keep your wheatgrass powder in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Ensure the container is tightly sealed to prevent moisture from getting in, which helps preserve its freshness and potency for longer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.